PlayStation 5 in the palm of your hand, but instead of being tethered to a TV, it's soaring at 40 miles per hour through the sky. This isn't just another drone release. This is the disruption the tech world wasn't ready for. The DJI Neo 2 has leaked, and it is officially the PS5 of the sky. If you thought the first Neo was a toy, you're about to realize how wrong you were. We're talking about a $200 beast that is single-handedly killing the competition. Why is everyone calling it the PS5 for the sky? Because for the first time ever, DJI has cracked the code on plug-and-play aerial cinematography. There is no steep learning curve and no $1,000 barrier to entry. It's pure, raw, high-performance tech that anyone can master in seconds. Under the hood, the Neo 2 is packing hardware that makes pro-level drones from just 2 years ago look like ancient relics. The first thing you need to understand is the sensor upgrade. The original Neo was great for social media, but the Neo 2 is moving into the big leagues. We're looking at a redesigned half-an-inch sensor that handles low light like a dream. Imagine flying through a neon-lit city at midnight or capturing a sunset on the beach without that grainy, muddy noise. It's crisp, it's sharp, and it's cinematic. But the sensor is just the tip of the iceberg. The real magic is the dedicated AI processor. This drone doesn't just fly, it thinks. It recognizes faces, predicts movement, and calculates flight paths in real time with zero latency. Think about the most complex action shots you've seen in Hollywood movies. Usually, that requires a pilot with 10 years of experience. With the Neo 2, you just tap a button and the AI takes over. It executes perfect orbits, flawless dolly zooms, and high-speed chases through dense forests without breaking a sweat. It's doing all of this while being small enough to fit in your jacket pocket. The leaks suggest a new burst mode that allows the drone to hit speeds we've never seen in a sub-250-gram consumer drone. It's agile, aggressive, and terrifyingly stable. DJI has reportedly overhauled the stabilization algorithms, meaning even in level 5 winds, your footage stays as smooth as a stabilized Hollywood gimbal. You could be standing on a windy cliffside, and the Neo 2 will hang in the air like it's nailed to the sky. We also have to talk about the gamer mode. This is the secret sauce. Rumors are swirling about a new integration with the goggles N3 that allows for a low-latency FPV experience that feels exactly like a high-end flight simulator. You aren't just watching the drone, you are the drone. The immersion is total. It's the adrenaline of an FPV racer combined with the safety of a GPS drone. If you hit a wall, the new 360-degree cage and LiDAR sensors kick in to save you before you even realize you made a mistake. It's virtually uncrashable. How is this only $200? DJI is going for the throat of every other budget manufacturer. They want a Neo 2 in every backpack in America. They want it to be the default camera for every hiker, YouTuber, and family vacation. By making the hardware affordable, they are building an ecosystem that no one else can touch. But there's a catch that most people are missing, and it's hidden in the battery specs. The Neo 2 is rumored to feature a new high-density cell that gives it a flight time that defies physics for its size. We're talking about nearly 30 minutes of airtime on a single charge. For a drone this small, that is unheard of. It means you can spend more time filming and less time fumbling with chargers. The design changes are even more apparent in the leaked blueprints. The propellers are tilted at a specific angle to reduce noise frequency. This isn't just a quiet drone, it's a stealth drone. You can fly it in a park without being that person with a buzzing lawnmower in the sky. It blends into the environment, making it the ultimate tool for candid moments and travel vlogging. This is the turning point for the industry. The DJI Neo 2 isn't just a sequel, it's a statement. It's telling the world that high-end technology doesn't have to be expensive and cinematic creativity shouldn't be limited to the elite. It's the democratization of the sky. Whether you're a professional filmmaker looking for a B-roll beast or a kid who just wants the coolest gadget on the block, the Neo 2 is the answer. It's fast, it's smart, it's affordable, and it's about to land. The sky just got a whole lot more interesting, and the game has officially changed. Get ready because the PS5 for the sky is real, and it's coming for everything. That last-minute DJI Neo 2 image leaks reveal the beginner-friendly drone from all angles. With some bundles included, DJI Neo 2 now seemingly imminent. A host of leaked images of the drone and its bundles have made their way online. These pictures come from reliable tipster Igor Bogdanov, who has posted photos of the DJI Neo 2 from various angles, from above and below, and with its bundled kits. There's a very good chance this is what the drone is going to end up looking like. In fact, there have been a host of DJI Neo 2 leaks over the past day or two. The drone is rumored to weigh 135 grams, like the current model, but durability and flight time upgrades are expected. According to those in the know, including the team at New Camera, the DJI Neo 2 will actually be unveiled in China sometime later today, Thursday, October 30th, with a European launch following on Thursday, November 13th. As for the US, it sounds as though a launch in that market is still up in the air. There's still the distinct possibility of a ban on DJI products in the US, which could come into force in the near future. That has understandably put future launches in some doubt. Photography and videography for 8 years. I started with the DJI Mini 3, which became my workhorse for hundreds of listings. For a long time, the Mini series was the best entry point for new agents and first-time creators. But after checking the new DJI Neo 2, I can say this tiny drone might become the most practical starter tool for anyone who wants to enter the real estate world. It is small, safe, simple, and surprisingly creative. And even though DJI designed it as a fun drone, it has features that beginners can use for real estate shoots on day one. The Neo 2 launched on November 13th, 2025. At only 151/160 grams, it fits in a category that avoids registration in many regions. That alone makes it appealing for agents who want an easy start. But the real surprise is how stable it feels in the air. The upgraded camera, the stronger image processor, and the refined stabilization system give it the look of a more serious drone. Why the Neo 2 helps beginners capture better real estate footage. Real estate drone work requires control above everything else. You need steady lines. You need slow orbits that look smooth even when you're still learning. You need predictable movements around homes, trees, and cars. The Neo 2 gives you that control in a way I did not expect from such a small drone. The 12-megapixel camera is sharp enough for roof shots, yard photos, and clean exterior images. The f2.2 aperture brings in enough light for golden hour sessions. The 4K recording is clear and pleasant to the eye, besides like the cinematic low contrast or DJI profile. But hey, I think that asking for DJI on a $200 drone is just way too much. But the standout feature is the stabilization. The 2-axis gimbal works with DJI's new processor and creates a floating look that feels very close to the Mini series. For real estate videos, this gives you room for creative transitions. You can slide through patios, decks, and side yards with confidence. The small size lets you fly close without feeling nervous. Your footage gets more energy even if you have limited experience. Many new creators try to mix slow cinematic clips with faster FPV movements. Usually that requires 2 different drones. With the Neo 2, you could do both with one tool if you buy the Motion Fly More combo. In this case, you will get the motion controller, and for more stable shots, you can use your cell phone. Safety features that give new pilots confidence. Flying around a home is not as simple as flying in an open field. There are gutters, trees, patio lights, pergolas, fences, cars, and wires. A beginner who does not feel comfortable will end up with stiff footage. Confidence changes everything. The Neo 2 helps with that. It offers full obstacle sensing on all sides. You also get built-in propeller guards. This combination makes the drone more forgiving in tight spaces. You can fly close to walls and edges and focus more on framing instead of worrying about every tiny movement. After filming hundreds of properties, I can say that reliable sensors are the #1 feature beginners need. The Neo 2 holds its position well, even in light wind. It tracks the ground accurately, which helps with low passes across yards or driveways. These low-altitude shots are common in real estate, and beginners usually avoid them because they feel risky. The Neo 2 makes them easy. The battery life sits around 19 minutes, but you should know that these numbers are always far from real-life tests. Most beginners can capture a full set of shots with 2 or 3 batteries. The internal storage of 49 gigabytes also fits several sessions before you move files. The best first drone for new real estate creators. I used the Mini 3 for years and always recommended it as the first real estate drone. But after reading about the Neo 2, my recommendation has changed. The Neo 2 is safer, easier, lighter, and more creative. It gives you smooth, cinematic lines and FPV-inspired moves in one tool. The motion combo with the FPV glasses cost around $800 depending where you buy it, which makes it perfect for anyone who is building a portfolio for the first time. If you want to break into real estate photography or videography, this drone will let you practice, learn, and experiment without fear of losing an expensive investment. And once you master it, upgrading to a larger drone becomes much easier to Drone XL's take. The DJI Neo 2 is small, affordable, and packed with features that help beginners capture clean and creative real estate footage. It is more than a toy. It is a practical work tool for new creators. For the price and performance, it might become the most popular starter drone in the real estate market.